What is drywall? The construction technology that changed modern building. Have you ever stopped to think about how drywall was invented? That smooth, versatile wall system that can be installed in a fraction of the time required for traditional masonry is now found in offices, hospitals, shopping centers, and even homes around the world. Behind this seemingly simple technology lies a fascinating story of innovation, urban challenges, and a constant search for greater efficiency. But first, what exactly is drywall? Drywall, also known as a gypsum board wall system, is a construction method that eliminates the need for bricks, mortar, and large amounts of water during installation. It consists of gypsum boards covered with durable paper layers and attached to a lightweight steel frame, creating walls, ceilings, and partitions. The beauty of drywall lies in its simplicity. Instead of building with concrete blocks or clay bricks, drywall offers a lightweight, fast, and highly adaptable solution suitable for almost any construction project. The origins of drywall. The history of drywall can be traced back to the late 19th century and is closely connected to two devastating disasters in the United States: the Great Chicago Fire of 1871 and the New York City Fire of 1890. At that time, most buildings were constructed primarily from wood, a highly combustible material. The Chicago fire alone destroyed large sections of the city, claimed hundreds of lives, and left more than 100,000 people homeless. These tragedies highlighted the urgent need for safer building materials and faster construction methods capable of rebuilding cities efficiently. In 1894, American inventor Augustine Sackett patented what became known as the Sackett board. His invention consisted of multiple layers of wet gypsum sandwiched between sheets of paper and other materials, creating a fire-resistant panel. Initially marketed as a fireproof building product, Sackett's invention laid the foundation for what would eventually evolve into modern drywall. Over time, wet gypsum was replaced by processed dry gypsum, while the outer coverings evolved into the strong paper facings used today. The result was a revolutionary material that combined the compressive strength of gypsum with the tensile strength of paper, creating a lightweight yet durable alternative to traditional wooden structures. How does drywall work? The drywall system is remarkably simple. First, a galvanized steel frame is assembled to create the skeleton of the wall or ceiling. Next, gypsum boards are screwed directly onto the metal framework. The joints between panels are then covered with specialized joint compound and reinforced with paper tape or fiberglass tape. After sanding and finishing, the result is a smooth and continuous surface ready for paint, wallpaper, tile, or other decorative finishes. The finished wall looks virtually identical to traditional masonry but requires significantly less time and labor to install. Are all drywall panels the same? Not at all. Different environments require different types of drywall boards. Standard white boards, regular drywall, are designed for dry indoor spaces such as bedrooms, living rooms, and offices. Green boards, moisture-resistant, contain additives that help resist humidity and mold growth, making them ideal for kitchens, bathrooms, and laundry rooms. Pink boards, fire-resistant, incorporate fiberglass reinforcement, allowing them to withstand elevated temperatures and providing additional fire protection in emergency exits, equipment rooms, and areas near fireplaces. There are also specialized drywall panels designed for enhanced sound insulation, impact resistance, and even radiation shielding, commonly used in hospitals, recording studios, and laboratories. Why has drywall become so popular? One of the biggest advantages of drywall is speed. A drywall wall can be installed in hours rather than days. In large construction projects, installation time can be reduced by up to 70% compared to traditional masonry. Since no water is required during installation, the process is cleaner and more sustainable. Construction waste is dramatically reduced, and many drywall components can be recycled. Drywall systems can generate up to 90% less debris than conventional brick construction. Another major benefit is weight. A typical drywall wall weighs approximately 25 kilograms per square meter, significantly reducing structural loads on buildings. This makes drywall especially attractive for renovations, retrofits, and multi-story buildings where minimizing additional weight is critical. Design flexibility. Many people assume drywall can only create flat walls, but that is far from the truth. Modern drywall systems allow architects and designers to create curved walls, decorative ceilings, recessed lighting features, and highly customized interior spaces. Because gypsum boards are easy to cut and shape, electrical wiring, plumbing, HVAC systems, and communication cables can be integrated quickly and efficiently. The cavities inside drywall partitions can also be filled with mineral wool insulation, dramatically improving both thermal and acoustic performance. Are there any limitations? Like any construction system, drywall is not perfect. As cities continue to grow and construction methods evolve, drywall is likely to play an increasingly important role in shaping the buildings of tomorrow. The next time you walk into an office, hospital, hotel, or modern home, take a closer look at the walls around you. There is a good chance that behind that smooth surface lies one of the most innovative construction technologies ever developed. Drywall is not simply a wall. It is a symbol of how engineering and innovation continue to transform the way we build our world.